What happened to your foot?
No. What happened to Destiny foot?
Oh yeah. Jano.
You're right. Jano. But Shepherd know too. What happened to him foot?
Well, she have a cheerleading competition. She get a little injured on her ankle.
Competition. So you win?
Well, that's the good part about it. Our team win.
Well, that is good. And based upon where me I see, the foot alright. But you come up here and say you want to talk to me. What am I talk to you? We have to say, young man.
Shepherd, me is not a superstitious youth, you know, and I never really believe in a certain things until we meet you. But I have a question. You know if anybody can read your mind?
Your woman I read your mind. What was that?
Shepherd, you alright?
You want something for drink?
Yeah man, we are.
Whatever may have, you will drink it.
Sure, say what?
Yeah. So tell me something about this woman that is reading your mind.
To tell you the truth still, you know, I don't know if I read or read my mind or what, but me even check to see if she have no track up on me or no bug, nothing or whatever. Fine, I listen what me I say. But me realize that she tell me things when me set out of my mouth. And to me, that's impossible.
How deeply involved are you with this person?
Well, as somebody when I check for a shepherd, really check for her. So, you think that can cause it?
When some people share a when two people share a connect.
No, man. What go on with the shepherd?
No man. Me alright. Then something here, they happen to me every now and then. I know sick me sick, nor mad me mad. Me will figure it out.
Alright. You can give me any answers to that thing, bro.
All I can tell you is, Whisper, is that them say truth is stranger than fiction. Now, if it get to the point that you and this person is so connected that they might have the power to read your mind, then things now.
Things now what?
Things might not be that smooth. You tell her what you do for your living?
I just tell her about my side job. I can't tell her about nothing else. And you know that.
Telling her about the side job is only part of the truth. But if she should have figured out the whole truth, then the Dalios might just mash up. If she have the power to see things like you're surmising.
So what you suggest, Shepherd? Because this a baffle me, you know. That's why I'm coming link you.
I am going to need some time for this whisper. And I will have to come and see you personally about it. But in the meantime, you tell Bubbles for me that I'm coming to see her. And maybe when I come to see her, that is the time that I will see you. But we need to talk.
Alright, Shepherd. Thanks for your time. Alright?
It look like the connection between you and that smarty get strong. It look like it connected to me too.